Are you looking to add a personal touch to your WordPress site by customizing those default colors in the block editor? If you've ever felt limited by the standard color palette, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to change the default colors on any block or gadget in the WordPress Block Editor so your website better reflects your unique style or branding. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident adding those visual tweaks that really help your content stand out. Let's dive right in. So first things first, open up WordPress and log in with your credentials. If you're new to WordPress, take your time here, no rush. Once you're in, you'll want to head to your website's dashboard. This is essentially your control center where you manage all your pages, posts, and settings. Navigating to your website from here is pretty straightforward. There's usually a My Site or Visit Site option up at the top or in the sidebar. Give that a click to make sure you're working on the right project. Now let's get into the block editor. Find the page or post you want to update and click Edit to open it up in WordPress's block editor. The block editor is what gives you the flexibility to add, move, or customize sections of your content without needing to mess around with any code. If you're not familiar, think of it like building with digital building blocks. Each element you add, whether it's a heading, image, or a gadget like a pull quote or button, is a block you can shape to your liking. With your page open, select a block or gadget you want to update. Just click on it, and when you do, you'll notice some options appear on the right-hand side of your screen. This right panel is super important. If you ever feel lost, just remember to look here. Within this panel, you'll see a tab labeled Block. Select that tab because this is where all the customization magic happens for the block you've chosen. Under the Block tab, you'll find color settings. These color options are what control how your text and background will look for this specific block. You might see something like text color and background color. These are your keys to a more personalized site experience. For instance, if you want your headline block to really pop, try choosing a bold background color with a contrasting text shade. Maybe you want a call to action button to stand out from the rest of your content. Pick a vibrant color for the background. It's like highlighting a word in a textbook so people won't miss it. When you click on the color options, you'll usually get a palette or a picker. You can experiment here without worry. Sometimes WordPress offers a set of default theme colors, but you can always click Custom to choose exactly what you want. Don't stress if it takes a couple tries to get the right look. This process is totally reversible, and you can preview how everything looks as you go. If you're aiming for brand consistency, it's smart to note your brand's color codes and pop them into the custom color fields. And that's really it. After selecting your colors, remember to preview your changes to make sure it all looks good. Don't forget to hit Update or Publish once you're happy, so your brilliant new colors will show up live on your site. Alright, I hope this walkthrough made customizing your block colors in WordPress much less intimidating. If you found this video useful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and drop your questions down in the comments. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy WordPress tutorials and website tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.